Okay, here's a video showing the sink. This is upside down, a lot of these are. That's the pipe coming out the middle there, and there's another pipe the same. It's basically a dunny roll with a waterproof coating on, and I'm trying not to give away what the waterproof coating is, which is why it's in sepia, which looks black and white. Here's the box that was on the other side. Now there's the plug, which fits quite neatly into a dunny roll. There's the box again, and that's the outlet pipe that basically the water drains away through this and then goes through another dunny roll, which is actually in the wall of the Honeyscell cardboard, and so that one drains into that, as you'll see. The box goes over the top of the pipe that's coming out from the sink, like so, like that, and it ends up looking like that. Now there it is with the cardboard in place to hold the weight of the box, which is essentially acting as the S-bend, and also a little bit of cardboard there to hold the weight of the outgoing pipe. There's what it looks like from the other side. The other one was taken from in that angle, in there, and this one's taken from the other side. And there's the structure that holds up the actual sink itself. And again, and again, and again. Now those two bits that you saw holding up the box for the S-bend, that's them two there that you can see. And these bits here are here to hold the weight of the water in the sink. And again, and again. Now there's those same two bits from the angle of the first view that hold up the box for the S-bend, and this is the side of one of the larger bits that holds up the sink. It's just taken from a different angle. There's the structural bracing to try and stop all these bits wobbling side to side, which they were a little bit when I was playing with it after I'd initially put in the ones going horizontal. You know, you could wiggle it around a little bit, so I put these angled ones in to act as a cross bracing. And there we are again, but from the side with the water outlet pipe. There is the water outlet pipe, oops, going to the dunny roll that is actually going through the 40mm honeycomb cell. And all this you can see around here is actually the silver paper, the sarking insulation, because this is in place and it's up against the wall, and I was trying not to knock it there because it was glued on the floor and everything. There it is there, closer vision. Yeah, a bit more of the structure. And again, and that's it from above, and then I put a little ring around from the water outlet pipe to the one that went through the wall. There's a little ring that's been put around that. Now this piece you'll see along here, that L-shaped piece there, that is actually the sides that you would touch with your knees or whatever as you're doing the dishes. And that's what the bench that's over the top, you know, surrounding the sink, puts its weight onto. And there's my solar panel compared to the sink, and the charge controller, which is the same as the one I got on the fridge. I like those because you've got a display and they tell you what's going on. And there's the 26 amp hour battery, and that is it.